thinking of closing your Wise account? Here's how to do it properly. First, open the Wise app and log into your account. Here, tap on the profile icon at the top right corner to go to settings. Scroll down and at the bottom of the page you can find the option Close Account. Tap on it. Now choose a reason for leaving and tap Continue, or you can skip this part. Now, before you proceed, make sure you have no pending transactions or you have withdrawn all remaining balance or cancelled any scheduled payments. If everything looks good, tap Close Account and select a reason. Wise may ask for final verification to confirm your request. Once approved, your account will be permanently closed. If you ever need Wise again, you will have to create a new account from scratch. If you can't close your account, contact Wise support for assistance. Are you switching to another service? Let us know in the comments. And that's it. You have successfully closed your Wise account. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.